Tailor. The job of a tailor is interesting and creative. Tailors are skilled workers who make, repair, and adjust clothes. They help people feel good in what they wear by making clothes that fit perfectly. Tailors work with many types of fabric, from cotton and wool to silk and denim. Their job requires attention to detail, patience, and a steady hand. Tailors work in tailor shops, clothing stores, factories, or sometimes from home. Each day, a tailor has many tasks. The first step is to talk with clients or customers. Tailors listen to what their customers want and discuss how they can help. Some customers may need a dress made for a special event, while others may want to adjust an old pair of pants. A good tailor listens carefully to understand each customer's needs. This helps them provide the best service and makes sure that the customer is happy with the result. Once they understand what the customer wants, tailors take measurements. This is one of the most important parts of a tailor's job because accurate measurements make sure the clothes fit well. Tailors use a measuring tape to measure around the customer's chest, waist, arms, legs, and other areas as needed. Taking measurements requires skill because even a small mistake can cause clothes not to fit properly. After taking measurements, a tailor selects the fabric. If the customer has asked for a new piece of clothing, the tailor will choose a fabric that matches what the customer wants. Different fabrics are used for different kinds of clothes. For example, a tailor may choose wool for a winter coat, cotton for a shirt, or silk for a fancy dress. Tailors need to know a lot about fabric because each material feels and moves differently. A good tailor understands how to work with all types of fabric to create clothes that are both comfortable and stylish. The next step in a tailor's job is to cut the fabric. Using the measurements they took, tailors carefully mark and cut the fabric into pieces that will become part of the finished garment. They use scissors or a special cutting tool to make sure the fabric is cut smoothly. Cutting fabric requires patience and accuracy. Tailors must focus on every detail to make sure each piece is cut the right way, as this step is very important for making clothes that fit well. Once the fabric is cut, it is time to sew the pieces together. Sewing is a key skill for any tailor. They use sewing machines and needles to join the fabric pieces, creating the shape of the clothing. For some projects, tailors sew by hand, especially for details or finishing touches. Hand sewing is slower than using a machine, but it allows for more control and precision, especially with delicate fabrics. Tailors must be skilled in both hand sewing and machine sewing to make strong, neat stitches. While sewing, tailors pay close attention to the details. They add buttons, zippers, pockets, and other parts as needed. Tailors also create hems to make sure the edges of the clothing look clean and finished. Adding these small details takes time and care, but it is important because it makes the clothes look professional. Customers appreciate the attention to detail, as it shows that the tailor cares about the quality of their work. After sewing, the tailor checks the garment for any problems. They inspect the seams to make sure everything is secure and that there are no loose threads. If there is a mistake or if something doesn't look right, the tailor will fix it. This step, called finishing, ensures that the clothing is ready for the customer. A tailor's work is not finished until they are sure that the clothes look and feel perfect. Sometimes, customers come to a tailor to make adjustments to clothes they already own. For example, they may want to shorten a dress, make pants smaller, or add new buttons to a shirt. Alterations or adjustments are a big part of a tailor's job. They listen to what the customer needs, take new measurements, and carefully make the changes. These alterations require a lot of skill because the tailor must work with clothes that are already sewn. Tailors need good communication skills to talk with customers about their needs and ideas. Customers may have specific requests, and it is up to the tailor to understand them. If a customer has questions or concerns, the tailor should explain things clearly. A friendly, helpful tailor makes customers feel comfortable and builds trust. This is important for a successful business, as happy customers are likely to return and even recommend the tailor to friends and family. The job of a tailor also requires creativity. When customers want unique clothes, a tailor has to think of ways to make their vision a reality. This could mean creating a special design, adding decorative elements, or using bright colors. Tailors enjoy the creative side of their job, as it allows them to try new ideas and show their artistic talent. A tailor's creativity helps them create beautiful, unique clothing that customers love to wear. Tailors must be patient and detail-oriented because their work involves many steps, and each one needs to be done carefully. Tailoring is not a fast job. It takes time to make or alter clothing to ensure it is perfect. Even a small error can make a big difference in the fit or appearance of a garment, so tailors take their time to make sure everything is right. This dedication to quality is what sets a good tailor apart from others. Most tailors work long hours, especially if they have many orders. Tailors who run their own businesses often work in their shops, sewing, cutting, and meeting with clients throughout the day. It is a busy job, but many tailors enjoy it because they can see the results of their hard work. They take pride in making clothes that people wear with confidence and comfort. In addition to sewing skills, tailors also need to know about fashion trends. Customers often ask for clothes that are stylish, so tailors must keep up with new trends to make sure they can meet these requests. Knowing about fashion helps tailors create clothes that are both functional and fashionable, making their work more valuable to customers. In conclusion, the job of a tailor is both challenging and rewarding. Tailors help people by creating and fixing clothes that fit well and look great. Their work requires skill, patience, creativity, and attention to detail. Each piece of clothing they make or alter is unique, and they take pride in their craft. For many tailors, the joy of seeing a happy customer wearing their work makes all the effort worth it. Tailoring may be hard work, but it is a job that brings satisfaction and helps people feel confident in what they wear.